Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CapCut Auto Beat Sync for music-aligned edits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the CapCut app on your device. Select the project you want to edit or create a new one. Tap on the audio option at the bottom of the screen. Choose sounds to browse music or select your sounds for your own tracks. Pick the music you want to use for your edit. Once selected, tap on the music track to add it to your project. Next, locate the Beat Sync option in the audio settings. Enable the Auto Beat Sync feature by toggling it on. After enabling, CapCut will analyze the music automatically. Tap on the Edit button next to the music track. You'll see the marked beats displayed on the timeline. Now, add your video clips or images to the timeline. Align these clips with the marked beats to create seamless transitions. Preview your edit by pressing the play button. Make any adjustments as needed to ensure your clips sync perfectly. Once satisfied with your edits, save your project to finalize your work. You've now successfully enabled CapCut's Auto Beat Sync for music-aligned edits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.